All right, guys. Okay, so I'm going to ask if anyone has got any questions. So before we start, so first I need to lower everyone's hand first. So if you please can lower your hand as well. So if you don't have any question. Okay, if you have any question, you can raise your hand quickly. Okay, Ayomide, you can. 1 minute, I'm going to. Okay, you can unmute yourself, Ayomide.
Will we be doing the third brainstorm today? Like last time we did a word search and the seating for the birthday party, and now we'll be redesign a classroom.
Yes, that's right. So we're going to go today, we're going to go into lesson 2, right? Which is this one, basically. And this is where we're going to start development, basically. So we are going to develop, I'll go through this quickly before we start. I'll answer your question later, okay? Isaac.
What's the name of this course?
This is the app development, okay?
I thought everybody was just going to leave on to another Zoom meeting.
No, not now. So this is the app development course, okay? So we're going to come here. So up to lesson 5. Lesson 5 is when we start to break into rooms, because that's where you're going to start developing, basically, okay? For this, we're going to kind of discuss together before the, okay. Grace.
I don't really, like, on my thing, it only says chapter 1. It doesn't say what you have.
Okay, can you refresh, because I've just enabled the other one.
Okay.
Mr. Deji.
Yes.
Please, first, I lost track of how we even log in.
Okay, so I will ask someone to help you out, okay? So with that, so it should be the same thing anyway. I think what you don't have is what's it called?
Uncle.
It's a section code. 1 minute, guys. I'm coming back to you. Grace, the other Grace.
Uncle.
1 minute, Gabriel. Please, if you raise your hand, I'll come back to you, okay? Grace.
Are we going to do
Sorry, say that one again, please.
Today, or are we doing more problem solving?
We've done problem solving last time, actually. So we are going to go into what is computing. So I will answer your question in this particular class. Okay, I'll come back to that. So Oluwatishe.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, hello. I wanted to see if I could help explain how to log in.
Okay, cool, no problem. I'll come back to you. So Gabriel.
Do you mind stop sharing your screen? Because there's something I need to show you. Because something's happened with my computer for the code.org.
Okay, what exactly is that?
And so now the app development, and all of them normally have a course, like for example, the introduction to programming 1 for boys and girls aged 5 to 12. It says course.
Okay, do you want to share your screen, please?
Yeah. Can you see it? Can you see what I mean? So the app development, it doesn't have a course, but all the other ones do. Normally, when I click on it, it just goes there.
You're on the wrong one. So I'm going to ask Oluwatishe to go through the process for you, right?
Okay, then thank you. Let me just stop sharing.
Okay. All right. Okay, Tishe, do you want to start, please?
Yeah, of course. I'll start sharing my screen. Okay, everyone see my screen?
Not yet.
Still loading.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Now we can see it.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. So into your browser, you just type in code.org. So, so to take you to the homepage, and I've already signed in, so I'm going to quickly sign out and show everyone how you can. If you haven't signed up, you can easily sign up. It only takes a few minutes. I know I've been helping some other people today sign up, so it might be their first lessons today. So you simply sign in with the email username you have. So you can use either one. I'm going to use my username today. Your password. These can all be created when you signed in or created an account. Now, what Gabriel, you haven't sorry, what problem Gabriel you're having, sorry, is that you have a lot of stuff. So I have a few things here. So this is the things we're doing here. So this is, I'm not sure what this is. I think we've already done this before, or I don't know, but this is what we're doing. So this was all the problem solving stuff. But here is what we, this is the problem solving stuff. So you were choosing, we have to choose the one underneath it. It says Introduction to App Development. I'll show you guys. I'll show you again. 1 minute. So it's the one at the bottom here.
Don't worry, I think I found it.
Yeah.
I see.
So the section code is.
Okay.
So here's the section code for everyone who doesn't have the section code for this session. RWWKPX. So that's the section code. This should be all in capitals. And then you should see these two things here. This one, if I click on it, it's called Computer Science Discoveries. And so these are all the computer science discoveries that Uncle Deji set for us. I think he only assigned this one for us. So if I go to unit, it takes you to this place. And this is what we're doing. So you can click either one, honestly, but it's just how you get to this. So we completed chapter 1 last year. Yeah, we did all of these. It was really fun. We did birth search. Yeah, the party ones. I don't think, maybe you weren't there, but we did it and it was really good. So now Uncle Deji has I think he just set these ones because I checked this earlier and it wasn't there. So
yeah, I've just enabled it right now.
Yeah.
If you want to just continue with that should be fine.
Yeah,
So we
I've
just
already started looking at some stuff. So we need to look at the
Okay.
video. So yeah, Uncle, do you want me to continue? Or?
Yes, please.
I was
Yeah.
there
Yeah, okay.
that day.
Yeah, I don't think you were there. So Uncle has just set these new lessons for us. So it's chapter 2, and we're going to look at what a computer is. So yeah, this is going to be important for us making our apps. And so here we should start having an idea. It's like proper computer science stuff here, because this is what you all need to learn in computer science, like what machines, what type of programming needs to go into making all these stuff. So yeah, so we've got a question of the day. So this is our question for this lesson. What is a computer? Sounds quite strange because everyone knows what a computer is, but we have to look this in depth. So what is a computer? This lesson.
Let's get some responses.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Let's get some. What is computer? If you want to raise your hand quickly.
I'm gonna cover this because the answer's there. Okay. Anyone have anything?
Okay. Ayomide, Nifemi, Isaac. Okay. Anyone?
All right. First to unmute themselves and start speaking. Let's go.
Well, a computer is a device that you are able to code on to make it to program stuff.
Okay.
You can which is used to program a game, and coding is used to program the computer.
Okay, nice. You're on the right lines. I like it. I like your answer. Does anyone else have anything else?
One. So a computer is
a computer is a certain thing. It can be in the form of a phone, a camera, a laptop, or even a tablet or iPad or anything like that. And what happens is that it's an interactive device that you use to do the things that you ask it to do. And to ask it to do stuff, you have to use coding.
Nice.
And there are lots of different coding languages, the same way there are lots of languages in the world.
All right. So the sense, I'm going to summarize what you two just said. You guys just said a device, yeah. So a thing, yeah, that you use that's interactive, that needs programming. You need to give it instructions for it to work. Is that what you guys are trying to say?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Nice. Good. You guys are
I
on
want
good.
to say something
Yeah.
about the computer.
Yeah.
So
go on.
computers are kind of computer science where you make any kind of code yourself.
Nice. Well done. I like everyone's answer. So let's see what this tells us. Oops. Let's see what this says. Computer, a machine that works with information. So what we all said was right. It needs information. It needs instructions for us, for the computer to work. So these are really good. Uncle, do you want me to look at these? Or
Yes, if you can play the video, please.
yeah, okay, video.
Yeah.
Go play together. Oops.
Gabriel, please, can you be muted? Thank you.
All right, our video is coming up now. I don't think I shared my computer audio. Can everyone see that? Can everyone hear this?
No.
I can't.
I can't see it.
I can't hear anything.
Okay.
Showing on my screen.
No.
I can't hear anything.
Okay. I'm gonna stop sharing. I'm gonna share with my computer audio. I'm so sorry. I should have done that. And that video actually is on the next slide. So yeah, that video is. If you have your cameras on, can you please make sure you turn it off? Okay. Yeah. So the video is here. So,
Hi, I'm Nat. I was one of the original designers of the Xbox. I've been working with computers since I was maybe 7 years old, and now I work on virtual reality.
Computers are everywhere. They're in people's pockets. They're in people's cars. People have them on their wrists. They might be in your backpack right now. But what makes a computer a computer?
What does make a computer anyway?
And how does it even work?
As humans, we've always built tools to help us solve problems. Tools like a wheelbarrow, a hammer, or a printing press, or a tractor trailer. All of these inventions helped us with manual work. Over time, people began to wonder if a machine could be designed and built to help us with the thinking work we do, like solving equations or tracking the stars in the sky. Rather than moving or manipulating physical things like dirt and stone, these machines would need to be designed to manipulate information. The earliest computers were made out of wood and metal, with mechanical levers and gears. By the 20th century, though, computers started using electrical components. These early computers were really large and really slow. A computer the size of a room might take hours just to do a basic math problem.
These machines are things of gleaming, vari-colored metal and numerous flashing lights.
Computers started out as basic calculators, which was already really awesome at the time, and they were only manipulating numbers back then. But now we can use them to talk to each other, we can use them to play games, control robots, and do any crazy thing that you could probably imagine. The computers we use today look really different from the earliest thinking machines. And who knows what the computers of tomorrow will be like? My hope is that you get to help decide what you want the computers of tomorrow to look like.
So, that was a good video. So, I want some feedback. What did you guys take in from that video? What did you guys find? Any feedback? Ayman.
So what I learned is that computers that you have, they're made for you so you can help. So they help you. So it helps you with like coding, maths, English, any type of thing that you need to improve your learning.
Yes, that. Yeah, really, I like that answer. Anyone else? Yeah, Grace.
So, from the videos, the machines that they used then would be like. Now we have computers that would look really different. They could be used for printing, 3D printing and stuff. And before, when computers were just big screens that were used to do math problems that could take hours to just do something like 17 plus 17 or something.
Yeah.
And then, if I want to add, I'm not sure if I should add on, if I'm allowed to add on to what the video said, but the machines that are computers nowadays, and even in the past, were very helpful because there used to be people with computers who could do sums really quickly in their head, but now you don't need those anymore, and we can just use a calculator on a computer to help us.
Yeah. I get what you're saying there. So for me, what I really learned is that computers were made because like what that guy was saying earlier. He was saying that we've always made things to help us, as the physical side, like move dirt around, how they help them work. But they didn't have anything that can use them to help them work with their mind, how to make them think. So they built computers, and like what he said, they're made to help us. Some people forget that or neglect that, computers are there to help us. So like, it's not made to hurt someone or do something bad. It's made to help us, like with basic coding, you can build stuff, learn, so that's what I learned from this, that computers are made to help us, mentally, physically, with different kind of stuff. So I think that's a big thing we should all take, that they're made to help us. So try not to use like every device you have for the wrong reasons. Use them to learn, to communicate, to enjoy yourself, play games, but like we always have to make sure we're responsible with what computers we use. So yeah, if we continue now, let's see what we have next. All right, so we finished lesson 4. So that lesson 4 was just I think it was like the intro to what we're about to do. So now we're going to learn some new things in computers called inputs and outputs. So we've learned what a computer is. I think that's the fundamental thing. We need to learn that before we know the rest.
Okay, thanks, Shay. So for you guys, this is another fundamental principle in programming. Like all codes will have input and output. In the same way, if you have your phone, you have to type something into the phone or into the app, and you get something. So this is the fundamental of coding, basically. So more often, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be getting, the computer is going to be getting input from you, and then it's going to be giving you something. So that's your output. So this is very, very important for every coder or programmer to know what an input and what is an output. So this is what we're going to go through today. Okay?
So, Uncle Denji,
yeah.
So pretty much when you have an input, it's just something that the user interacts. It's an interaction that the user does, and then the output is what is the result of that.
Exactly.
Yeah. I know in my school, like if you ever want to do computer science in my school, the first thing, and all the teachers hammer about this, you have to learn this, or else they don't think you'll be able to do it, because this is really important. If you don't really understand this, it's going to be really hard for all the other stuff you want to learn. So we've got to make sure we all understand this. Yeah. So I want everyone to try and be interactive. You know, if you need help, if you don't understand something, please raise your hand and ask, because we need to make sure we get this for us to go through the next stuff. All right. So let's go with our question of this lesson. Okay, how do computers use input and output to get and give the information that they need to solve problems? In this lesson, we are going to consider how computers get and give information to the users through inputs and outputs. After first considering what information they will have to solve a thinking problem, the class identifies the inputs and outputs to that process. Afterwards, they explore a series of apps and determine the inputs and outputs for each one. Okay, so our key vocab. So
output are our key vocab.
Okay, so input. The information computers get from users, devices, or other computers. Output. The information computer give. Hello, excuse me?
What's an input and what's an output?
Alright, so this is I'm just telling you right now what these things are. So the input is the information computers get from users, devices, or other computers. So input is the information they are getting. Now output is the information computers are giving. So it's like you go to the shops, you give money to receive whatever you buy, you know? I'm trying to think of what other examples I can use. Like, you know, if you want to pay for something, you give the money to the person, and then the person gives you what you bought. So yeah, like you're getting and, you know, giving, you know?
Or you give a ticket so you can get to the movies.
Yes, something like that. Great, that's really good. Yeah. So we're going to look at different examples right now, so for us to get it, understand. All right. Please, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate not to ask, because it's very important for us to get this. Oh, okay. Try playing this Pet Chooser app a few times, and then as a class, we're all going to think about what are the inputs and what are the outputs. To start using the app, press the orange run button. All right, let's go. Let's do this. Are you allergic to pet fur? No, I'm not. Do you like going outside? Yeah. Would you rather go with the crowd or be different? Be different. Come on. Get a goat. Okay. So let's do that again, but let's choose different answers.
Opposite. Let's choose the opposite.
Yeah, let's do the opposite of what we just did. Are you allergic? Yes. Should your pet be cute or creepy? Cute. Should the pet be noisy? No.
No.
You better get a fish.
Wait, I've drawn a piece of fish before.
Okay. So Now, after doing a few examples, let's think about what the inputs and outputs here are. Okay, so what do you think the inputs are? Can I please have hands up? Maybe, yeah. Can I please have hands up? Nifemi.
I think the inputs are that we are given the computer information, like our pet should be creepy or cute,
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Yeah, so the inputs are the questions we are answering. So we're giving the information to the app. We're giving information to the app. So those are the inputs. The inputs are the questions we are answering. So yeah, thank you, Inifemi, for that answer. Like when it asked us cute or creepy, we said we would like a cute pet. Now the computer registers that information and gives us our next question. This is always also altering what pets we're gonna get, because we chose different answers and we got a goat. And then when we chose different answers, we got a fish. So it's using our information to, So what are the outputs here? Can we have someone else?
Let's hear from someone that's not spoken. Okay.
Okay. I don't think Livingstone has spoken today.
Other outputs. Every time you answer a question, it gives you it gives you more questions, so you could get your proper pet.
Okay, so yeah, really like that as well. Nice. So those are the outputs. Yeah, I think there's
that is really good answer, because some people who might be confused saying that the output is what you get at the end, right?
Yeah.
Like better be a fish or something. Yes, that is the output, but not the only output, right?
Yeah, that's what I was just about to say. There's more outputs. That's the really, really not obvious output.
Yeah.
Yeah. The obvious output would be, can someone tell me?
So I'm going to lower everyone's hand now. So if you want to answer, you can raise your hand.
Grace, you said a lot. Shibadum?
The obvious output would be the type of pet they think you should get.
Nice. Thank you very much. Yeah. So that's the obvious output here, that the type of pet they give you at the end. So yeah, as Livingstone said, the questions they're giving you are outputs, because it's giving us information for us to give in information. So yeah, inputs and outputs is a really, really funny one. I like it. Like, you've got to make sure you know what's going in and what's coming out, So yeah, well done, everyone. Does everyone understand this before I continue? So, okay, I think everyone gets it. Right, let's go. I think we're going to look at more examples. All right, story creator. Try out this app that writes a custom story for you. What are the inputs and what are the outputs? All right, fill in the blanks to create a custom story. This is a good one. All right, so I'm gonna put my name. Can someone give me a color? Any color? Whoever. Yellow. Okay.
Blue. Brown.
I've gone for yellow. Okay. All right, food.
Excuse
Anyone?
me.
Yes. Hello.
Can we put our normal names on the tin?
Yeah, you put normal names, or you could put different names. It doesn't really matter.
Okay, so like a nickname.
Yeah, like a nickname. It can be anything.
Write on it, because I can't write on it.
You can't. Have you pressed the run button?
Okay, I can write on it now. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. All right, yellow. All right, food. Anyone? Pizza? Yeah, I'll go for pizza. Everyone loves pizza. Emotion, happy. City, London.
Make a Western story. Make a
Alright.
sci-fi.
Which story should we create? A Western or sci-fi story?
Western.
Western.
Western story.
Alright, everyone calm down. Okay.
Down.
Okay, relax. Alright,
Don't fill out the
relax.
line.
Alright, I'm gonna choose it at random. I'm gonna do eeny, miny, miny, mo. Okay? I did originally to choose. Alright, eeny, meeny, miny. Alright, look. You guys, this is evidence, okay? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I can't remember it. Catch a fish by its toe.
Misfit Squirrels, let it go.
It's catch a tiger by its toe.
Okay. I'm just gonna choose Western. Okay. So this is our story. T-Shay was the best sheriff in town.
Is
London
that true?
Alright, T-Shay was the best sheriff in town of London had ever seen. But one day, a stranger rode into town with that bright yellow hat. You'd be the best here for the famous saloon's famous pizza. And not to steal our cattle. And T-Shay, sorry. I'm allergic to pizza, said the stranger. It makes me feel mighty happy. Wow, that's kind of stupid. Then the stranger rode off into the sunset. This is actually kind of funny story.
Yeah.
That's just on now.
Okay. Let's
So
think about.
I think, okay, what can you guys make up from there? What can you make up from this now?
Yeah, let's see what information we can pick out from here. Like we put in. All right, Uncle, do you mind lowering everyone's hands so we can refresh it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Grace, man, you say a lot. I really like it, but we need other people here. Huh?
Oh, come on.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You guys have all said something. Anyone else? Come on. I'm not a bad guy. I like people talking. Interactive.
What about
Fun times, everyone? Okay, fine. I'll just choose Gabriella. Gabrielle.
Yeah. So what are the inputs? Well, the inputs is when he asks us like, "What's your favorite food and what emotion are you gonna have?"
Yeah,
and then
nice.
The output of the story that he's gonna give us, which is hilarious.
Yes, very very strange story. Like I really we can definitely see from the story our information that we put in really coming into use here, because it asks us for our name. Our name is really there. It asked us what city, London, over here. It asked us what's our favorite color, yellow hat. It asked us what's our favorite food is, pizza. It gave us pizza. It makes me feel happy. It said our favorite thing is emotions, happy. And then the stranger rose off his sunset. So I think let's do it again with a different. I'm gonna keep the name still, but we'll choose different stuff. Right, T-Shay. Okay, color.
Excuse me, but the sci-fi one is very hilarious, as in very.
Okay, we'll choose that next. All right, blue. Okay, food. Anyone else? Jollof rice? Anyone?
Rice will be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, relax.
Disgusting.
Relax. Okay. All right, shush. Everyone, relax. I heard. Wait. I know this is fun. I really like it. All right. I heard someone say suya as well. I like suya as well. All right. Relax. All right. I'm sure everyone here likes chicken.
Fried chicken.
Yes. Okay. We choose chicken. Gonna choose chicken. Gonna use chicken. Oh. Chicken. All right. Emotion. Should we do angry?
No, let's do angry.
Sad, because it's blue. Blue is sad.
Okay then.
Everyone's happy, so blue is sad.
All right, city. What city now?
Nicely done.
Is it five? New York. Five.
I'll do New York. Okay, I'll do New York. Relax. I'll do New York. Okay. Next sci-fi story.
Dubai.
Okay. Once there was an alien named Tisha. Oh, sorry. Once there was an alien named Tisha who wanted to take over the Earth. He came down and started shooting blue lasers everywhere. But soon it got hungry and decided to stop for chicken. That sounds like me though. I will stop for chicken anytime. It suddenly became sad and realized it can never destroy a planet with such deliciousness. Huh?
That was a good one to put there.
So Tisha decided to move to New York and eat chicken every day. Oh Lord. Alright. So
It's really funny.
this one was a good one. Alright, so we can see the inputs here. We can see the inputs. All the information we gave the computer, we can see it coming into use here with the output.
The output is the story, but the input is the information we put in.
Yes, nice. Thank you very much. Summarize that into perfect, nice stuff. I mean, this should get us thinking for our app designs, because I really like this. I really like this. And whoever created this should be very proud of themselves, because this is funny, and this could make a lot of money. So, everyone should start thinking about ideas, because it's coming soon where we're gonna have to start making stuff. All right, so yeah, this was fun. I like the way we're all interactive as well. This is very good to see. Very good to see. Someone's singing. Although we like your singing, but you.
Sorry.
Okay. Next unit.
I like the name Unlimited Pet Chooser.
Hello? Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. This is an improved app of the...
Okay. All right, to share 1 minute. While you are sharing your screen, can we have someone to take this particular section, right? You don't need to stop sharing. I just want someone to kind of, take you from where you stopped.
Yeah, of course. Okay.
Can I?
Hi.
Okay, I'm going to lower everyone's hand, so I'll see who's that. So, okay.
Can I?
I want someone that have not spoken before.
Yeah.
So I know you guys have been having a good time. So can someone please?
I haven't spoken.
I haven't spoken.
Guys, we should be muted. We should be muted.
You need to raise your hand, okay? You need to raise your hand. Then I will see who has not spoken, okay? I want participation. So, okay. Michelle, okay. Let's go for Michelle, okay. So, sorry guys, like Tisha said, I like you all as well. So let's just make sure someone also do this. Okay, Michelle.
Thank you, sir.
So you're going to help Tisha with this.
Okay, so Michelle, I'm gonna drive, but you tell me what to do, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's go. Let's do this. Come on, Michelle, guide me on what I need to do.
So first we need to go to run.
I've run. Okay.
So then when you have clicked on run, you go to click here to start.
Oops, 1 minute, so okay.
So it says, are you allergic to pet fur? Let's go with maybe no.
Yeah, no, okay. Do I like to go outside?
Yes, let's go with yes.
Yeah, let's go yes.
Would you rather go with the crowd or be different? Different.
Yeah, different. Had to be unique.
Good.
Right.
Then
So
if you press, so this is find it, and it's to show you where to get a goat.
Okay.
Further special downtime, pets, and more.
Wow. So it gives us information as well. This is good.
Yes, but the only thing there is that we don't know which country that is.
Yeah, exactly. That's a flaw in the app. Okay. So thank you, Michelle. So Michelle, what I want you to do now is I want you to ask the class, what they think the inputs and outputs were, and gather some information for what we just learned through that app.
Okay. So can some of you guys please tell me what are the new inputs there?
I'll choose for you, but I want you to be guided answering the questions. Isabella and Michael, do you guys want to unmute yourselves?
Okay.
So yeah, Michelle, go on then.
So what's the new inputs? So the new inputs are like those things
No. Michelle. You should be asking the questions to to everyone else.
Oh, okay. What are the new inputs, guys?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I accidentally put my hand up. Sorry.
Oh, okay, don't worry.
So can anyone tell me what are the new inputs?
I can tell you.
Okay,
I can tell you. So the new input is that button where it says find it, because it tells the computer that you want to find it, and then the output is that it gives you that screen. It tells you where the closest pet shop is.
Okay, so.
Okay. So I think you've also said what is the source of the new inputs also.
Oh no, I also said the
Anyone? What's the source of the new inputs?
The new source of the input is that they've put a map now, so we can actually find where it is, and it even has the address, which is even more helpful.
Yeah. Okay.
Now I have an objection. I think the source of the new inputs is actually
what you say. You broke up.
I think the source of the new inputs is actually the questions, because without the questions, it won't really say where the nearest thing is, because there might need to be different pet shops. For example, this pet shop here may not have rabbits, so you might need to go to a different one if rabbits comes up or something.
Nice. Okay, so yeah, that's really helpful. Honestly, I agree with Grace. I think the questions are. I think who is the person talking? Michelle, there's a little background noise behind you.
Oh, sorry.
I think it's a Star Wars movie or something. I don't know. Okay. The person who was saying the new map is like the source of the new outputs. The new source of the new inputs. I understand where you're coming from, and I understand that that's new, but I think that's an output to me. I think that's an output to me, that because we're receiving information. We didn't give the information to him because the computer doesn't even know our address. He doesn't even know where we live. That might be in New York while I live in London. So yeah, so I don't think that's the source of the new inputs. I think Grace is still right that the source of the new inputs it's not really new, but it's the questions. The source of there's new outputs. I think that's what you got confused by. That's an output. The map is the output because we're receiving information. Yeah. So is everyone following?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Okay, thank you. Good. So does anyone have any other ideas, any questions or?
Okay, 1 minute. Can you reset again? So then go through it again so that
of course.
can look at it now.
Yeah, by the way, thank you, Michelle, for that. You did really well.
You're welcome.
Okay, so let's do this again. Are you allergic to pet fur? Let's say no this time. Do you like going outside? I think we should still keep it
Oh, the
yes.
other time we did no.
Oh.
So we're supposed to do yes. We were supposed to do yes.
Wait, I'll do it again. Sorry, I'll do it again. Sorry. Okay, so we said yes. Should it be cute or creepy? Should you make it creepy? Okay. Do you want to play with a pet? Hey.
It's a very creepy picture.
Oh Lord.
What? This is what I chose before, and it gave me a tarantula.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
scared of spiders.
Okay, I think I'm scared of spiders as well.
You just got yourself a new pet, okay?
Get something away from me.
Okay. I'll change it. Oh, can we see? So that means it's the same shop still selling a tarantula. It's the same shop that sells a tarantula and a goat.
I think you can see that place every time, to be honest.
That's quite interesting. The same shop is selling a tarantula and a goat.
I think they just sell that shop every time, to be honest.
Yeah, I think it sells all the time. Let's try it one more time. Let's see.
We do not want to play with the pets.
Okay, yeah. Let's.
Tarantula, I think. Yeah.
But why would you want to play with a tarantula? Kind of stupid. Are you allergic to pet fur? Should we put that pet? No. Do you like going outside? No. How cute should a pet be?
Medium.
Medium or very?
Very cute. Very cute.
Medium.
Oh.
Very cute.
Okay.
All right, let's show
Oh,
hamster.
that's quite. That's.
Look it again. Bro.
That's quite cute. I like that. But.
Yeah.
It's the same place. So I don't think the person who made the improvements did really well. I mean, it's quite cool for you to have a map and maybe the nearest shop, but there's a few flaws. First of all, it shows the same shop for literally like almost every animal.
I think
Always.
it's hard to do for everything, though. It would be hard.
Yeah, very hard. Exactly. You have to be like really advanced, you know, like make sure everything is properly
I
done.
don't think I do that well, because what if that's London and you're literally all the way in Rochester, or
Yeah.
maybe even in.
I am in
think that's just idea.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
why I
So that's another flaw. It doesn't even tell you where you. It doesn't even ask where your area is. You know.
Yeah, you can't say it's the closest pet shop.
Yeah, because you don't even know where they live. So. Although it might be quite. I'm sorry. Someone has like really weird background noise.
But it might be helpful for the person who made it. But for us, it's hard because you didn't know who's going to view it.
Yeah, definitely.
But
And it's
then
also.
again, it's normal.
Yeah, thank you very much. Got some really valid points there. Thank you, everyone. We've all been quite good today. Very good. All right, so we finished lesson 5. Woohoo! Well done, guys.
Oh, that's really good.
Yay!
So we finished lesson 5. Okay, so I'm not sure what. Are we still continuing, Uncle?
Yeah, there's up to lesson 8.
No, not today. Okay.
Yeah,
So
not today. I was thinking.
we're going to take a break now. So that will be it. I know you guys are enjoying it, but that's okay. So we're going to take a break now. So when we come back next week, we're going to start the coding, which is now the processing one actually. So this particular class is about app development. What are the process that you put in place before you even start to write the code, basically? I know some of you guys already know how to write coding, but trying to look back and see before you can actually start writing the code, before you can actually put those things in, what are the things that you need to know in programming and also in app development? And this class is going to expose you to all those areas. So like you've seen today, it's going to be more interactive, basically. So I would encourage you to come back next week. Please do let it be interactive. If you don't understand anything, this particular session is on YouTube, so you can go back and watch it, okay? and then you're able to familiarize yourself. I've also enabled the next lesson 6 and lesson 7. You can also look into it before we come back next week. So I think, yeah, 1 minute. So that is where we're going to stop now. Yeah. So if you have any question, you can raise your hand. So I would answer it before I leave. Okay.
Sorry, can I just say one more thing before we go?
Okay.
I just want to say thank you, everyone. You guys were really, really good today. Like, I really enjoyed it. I think we had lots of fun, cracked some jokes, learned some stuff. And so I really like it for us to be doing this every single week, you know, interactive, having fun, learning, you know, because this is, you know, especially around these times, you know, it's quite not happy around with everything going on. So it's nice for us to, you know, learn some stuff and enjoy ourselves. So thank you very much, everyone.
And thank you so much to take part today. So, yeah, normally I pick 1 or 2 people for each of the classes. So teacher is one that, and of course with other guys. So I've got some people that have also penned their names down. Those are the guys that I've got their parents telling me that they want to be leading the class. This one are going to be helping me to do this every week. And I want to say thank you to everyone that put their name down. So we are now collecting more names for all these leaders. So I've already got enough, actually, even more than enough. So
excuse me, Uncle DJ, and
sorry?
I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
My dad said that I earned a book from the Python class, that coding book that you said that you're going to give me. Well, I live in Nigeria, and how will you get it here?
That I think, yeah, that is a difficult question, to be honest. So I'm not sure that it was your dad or someone else that's been contacting me about posting it. So I'm looking into the best option. So you can ask your dad to contact me again, actually. So I know for the guys in the UK, they've got their, and even the guys in the US as well, they've got their books, right? So yeah.
Mr. Deji.
Yes.
I think for the last one we did, I completed my own, but I haven't received my book. My dad said that that you're going to send my own book too.
I think I have sent everything. To be honest, you should have got yours as well. Actually, I think you should have got yours also. If you haven't got it, I know some people, because of the address that they gave, I think if you're in a new development, which I think what's it called? Amazon did not find some addresses, so and I think it was returned back to where I actually got it from, but they've not actually returned the money anyway. So if you haven't got, Isabella, please, if you haven't got your prize and you think you earn it, ask your parents to reach out to me so I can look at that. So I don't know how many people has not got it because they don't come back to me to say they've not delivered it, basically. So all the one I've sent have been confirmed delivered. So if you have not received it, I will go back to them to say, why have you not delivered it? But I'm sure you should get one cancel it. So if you have not seen it, let your parent come back to me. I will chase that up for you.
Okay. Uncle Deji?
Yeah, yes.
You said we would do a demo today.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, did I say so?
I would do something. That would do what?
He said we do the brainstorm.
The demo.
Yeah, the brainstorm. Yeah. So okay, don't worry. As you've seen now, so we're going to have the class brainstorm next week, actually, in the end. So as you can see, it's part of the overview for next week. So like we did for the last year, right? We're going to have the same thing also for the next week. So it's going to be very interesting, actually. So I'm also looking towards that. So don't worry, we will do that. Okay.
Excuse me.
Adeniran.
Sir?
You raise your hand.
I also have a question that I'm living in Nigeria and I've got 3 prizes, but I haven't received any of it.
Okay, all right. I think I remember your parents also. Ask them to contact me also as well. Okay, so I will look into how we can get it. That's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So any other questions from anyone? Okay. All right. I think that's us then. So thank you, everybody. So I'm going to see you tomorrow for those guys that are doing the Python and web development. So we're going to use code HS for that one. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if you're not doing those ones, I'll see you next week. Thank you so much.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Yeah,
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Cheers.
Bye.